This is not just a flagship smartphone. This is a new level of mobile photography. Vivo introduces the X300 Ultra, a device designed as an alternative to a digital camera. The smartphone features a completely new imaging system, developed in collaboration with Zeiss. The system uses a unique 3+2 configuration, 3 main sensors combined with advanced optics and processing. The ultra-wide camera uses a large Sony LYTIA 8/18 sensor. This is unusually large for an ultra-wide lens. It improves light capture and image clarity. The system also includes advanced spectrum optimization technology and premium optical coating for better light transmission. Stabilization reaches SIPA 6.0 level, making low-light shots sharper than ever. The main camera is even more impressive. It uses the new Sony LYTIA 901 sensor, a massive 200-megapixel camera. Designed for maximum detail and dynamic range, the lens system reduces glare and improves clarity. Advanced HDR and noise reduction enhance image quality. The telephoto system is the real breakthrough. A 200-megapixel periscope camera is included, based on Samsung HP0 sensor technology. Stabilization reaches SIPA 7.0 level. This is close to professional gimbal stabilization. The system supports advanced teleconverters, with focal length reaching up to 400 millimeters. This allows extreme zoom with high clarity. The Vivo X300 Ultra pushes smartphone photography to a new level, blurring the line between phones and professional cameras. Like and subscribe for more tech, cameras, and future gadgets.